I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than usual, and that's cooking some lunch. So one of my favorite things is French fries and okra. I like to throw in some fruit and some lunch meat as well. So let's get to it. So the first thing is do a bake 450 to preheat the oven. Then I'm going to take some olive oil. And just spread that on the pan a little. Then just spread your fries out. However many you want to eat. Then take your okra now I know this seems like a lot, but it cooks down pretty good, and so I like to eat the whole bag. Now with the okra, it's kind of nice to sprinkle a little more olive oil on it and kind of mix that in. This helps it not get so stuck to the pan. Then just take some sea salt and put a little bit onto the okra. Then we wait for the oven to preheat. The oven is now preheated to 450. So I'm just going to set this in here. And we'll come back in a few minutes when it's ready. It's been a few minutes, and it's time to stir and flip. So I'm going to pull these out here. And just going to stir around the okra some because it has a tendency to stick to the pan. And if I can, I'm going to flip these fries. What I like about these is they get ready at about the same time, so it makes it nice. Then we'll plop them in here for a little bit longer. Everything is done, so I'm going to turn off the oven, and I don't really know what to tell you about how long this sits in here. You just kind of have to look at it and determine for yourself. I guess okra is a personal preference if you like it slimy or crunchy. And there we go, a really simple lunch. Some nice okra, French fries, some rolled up turkey, it's boar's head, some of my favorite, and then some nectarines. One of my favorite lunches. So that meal just takes just a few minutes to get done, and it's really easy, my kind of meal. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth Johnson with Land the House, and I will see you next time.